are doing well and you are staying safe. So from the title you already know that I am back with another recommendations video. In today's video I'm gonna only talk about a Plum Goodness. So Plum will be having her 8th birthday sale from the 1st of July 2022 till the 4th of July 2022, and I want to recommend you products which you can definitely grab during her biggest sale, because you guys know I swear by the brand Plum Goodness. I have been using her products since a long time and I own a number of her products which I think I'm gonna definitely recommend. At the same time, the brand is very kind enough to send me over some really amazing stuffs which are there in this box, which I'm gonna talk about. I'm gonna share you my own recommendations as well. I'm gonna also talk about the offers and every detail, guys. So I hope you're gonna definitely love this video, but before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on that small little notification bell next to the red subscribe button so that you may get notifications every single time I put a new video. So without any more blabbering, let's get started. So if you don't know about Plum Goodness is a complete vegan, PETA certified, cruelty-free, clean beauty and skincare brand, and she has some really amazing skincare and makeup products, and her skincare products are actually curated according to specific skin concerns. So you can definitely grab the products according to your skin type, according to your skin issues. At the same time, I love the transparency of the brand, the transparency of the ingredients which the brand infused in her products. And if you guys have been following me since a long time, you know that I am a diehard fan of Plum Goodness. I have been using her products since a long time, since I started my skincare journey. When I switched on to paraben-free products, sulfate-free products when it comes to skincare and hair care, the first brand that I chose was Plum Goodness. Until now, I have been using her products. So she has prospered a lot since the past 5 to 6 years, and now it's her 8th birthday sale, which we are gonna celebrate, and I'm really excited to talk about the offers. So Plum will be having her biggest 8th birthday sale from the 1st of July 2022 till the 4th of July 2022, where you can avail up to 50% off on all of her products. If you purchase products worth rupees 1,299 and above, you'll be getting her vitamin C toner plus moisturizer worth rupees 1,000 free. If you place an order of rupees 1,999 and above, you will be getting her vitamin C moisturizer along with toner and her Eye by Swear volume mascara worth rupees 1,500 as a freebies. You can also win gift cards along with exciting offers with every order. At the same time, one lucky winner will be also getting a chance to win iPhone 13 on an everyday basis during the sale days. So guys, I have already talked about the brand, the sale and the offers. Now it's time to talk about the products. I'm going to recommend you products which you can definitely grab during the sale time, and I have been using her products since a long time, guys, so I know how the products work. So the first product I'm going to recommend is this particular serum. This is the Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide 10% serum, which is a clarity boost serum which is having 30 ml of product, and it's a completely fragrance free product. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. The serum looks super aesthetic. I love the packaging. So it is a clarifying serum. So a niacinamide 10% serum is specifically meant for oily, acne prone skin type who has got a lot of congestion issues. At the same time, if you have acne spots, blemishes on the skin, and your face become really oily, you can definitely use a niacinamide serum. But niacinamide can cause a little bit of skin purging. In that case, you have to do a patch test before incorporating any niacinamide based skincare products in your skincare routine. My skin is very sensitive to niacinamide. That's why I was really skeptical of using this, but after I tried this, guys, I am in love with it because I love the consistency. It is having like an emulsion kind of consistency, very lightweight in texture. It completely gets absorbed into your skin. At the same time, it provides you a lot of hydration because it contains squalene, which is naturally derived from olives, which is going to moisturize your skin. Along with that, this one is also having a rice water extract, which also works in brightening your skin. So niacinamide is going to work on your blemishes. At the same time, niacinamide works really well for controlling your sebum production because it contains squalene. It's going to hydrate your skin. So if you are skeptical of using niacinamide based skincare products, I think you should start using it, guys, and after using it for a week or so, you're gonna love it. But just do a patch test before using any active based serum. So the second product that I'm going to recommend is this particular shampoo by Plum. This is the Plum Olive and Macadamia Healthy Hydration Shampoo, and you can see it's completely sealed. It's not a new product to me, guys. I have already finished up 2 complete bottles of this particular shampoo, so I haven't opened it. I know how it actually works. So this is a very healthy shampoo. If you have frizzy curly hair, it contains olive and macadamia, which is going to hydrate your hair, at the same time moisturize it in a long run. one. So from the first usage, you will be not able to see any difference. So after a couple of washes, you're gonna see that your hair is looking really healthy. It has added hydration from within. At the same time, it's a complete sulfate-free, paraben-free shampoo, guys. It lathers up really well. It does not strip off moisture from my hair, and I don't feel the urge to apply a lot of conditioner and mask on the days when I apply this particular shampoo. So this is a really good shampoo that you can definitely grab during a sale. The next products are something that I swear by, and you can definitely check out from Plum. These are really amazing. At the same time, super affordable body mist from Plum. These are the Plum Body Loving Body Mist, and I have got these two variants with me. This one is in the variant Vanilla Vibe, which I have now on my body, and I'm smelling really good, guys. It has got a very nice, warm, cozy vanilla fragrance, completely vanilla fragrance, but it has got a tinge of gourmand in it. It smells really warm and cozy. It also stays on a very long time on your body as well as on your clothes. Another variant that you can definitely check out is in the variant called Feeling So Rose. If you are into rose fragrances, I can assure you this is the fragrance that will completely take you to heaven. The moment you just smell it, it smells really strong, but once you just apply it on your body, it will just take you to the garden of roses in heaven, because it has got that very high quality rose fragrance. It does not feel at all cheap. It has got some kind of sophisticated tinge in it, which will make you feel really elegant and nice, guys. If you love rose fragrances, I think you should definitely check out the variant Feeling So Rose. But if you are into vanilla fragrances and other really warm, cozy fragrances, try out the variant. These are quite long wearing, guys. I think you should definitely grab these. So as I was talking about Plum's body mist, how can I ever forget Plum's eau de parfum? These are the perfumes EDPs by Plum. I have got two variants. So the first one is the variant called TRIPPIN Mimosas. This is how it looks like. This smells so unique, so exotic, and so different, guys. It is a complete orchid fragrance. It's a floral fragrance, but it has got a tinge of amberiness in it, which makes it completely different. You will find really nice floral notes of gardenia as well. So the variant TRIPPIN Mimosas smells exactly like Zara's orchid. Another hidden gem is the variant called Hawaiian Rumba, which is a very nice, fresh, aquatic fragrance with a little bit of musky undertones, which also smells so amazing. And these perfumes last for such a long time, guys, both on your clothes, on your body. On your clothes, it's gonna last until your next wash, and on your body, it will be lasting you throughout the entire day, over 14 hours. So these are very long wearing perfumes. I would highly suggest you guys to grab the pocket size ones, and I think you'll be having really amazing perfumes in your collection. So another body care product from the body loving range from Plum is our body butter, and you can see this is also in the variant Vanilla Vibes. The variant of the body mist which I have shown you, this combo is a bomb. It is also a very good quality thick body butter, and you can see I have completely finished up this jar. Just a little bit of this product is left. It is so moisturizing on the skin. It moisturizes your skin, and it just helps in making your overly scaly, flaky skin so smooth. At the same time, it does not feel greasy, uncomfortable, oily on the skin. It does not make your body feel sweaty, so I can use it throughout the entire year. During the winter months, guys, this smells like heaven, because it has got a like a vanilla cupcake fragrance. You can definitely try out body butters from Plum. So these are all the body care products that you can definitely check out from Plum. Now I'm going to talk about some of my favorite skincare products that I have been using over years, and you already guessed it right. I love the entire green tea range of Plum, and two of my favorites from that particular range is her green tea clear face mask and her oil-free moisturizer. And you can see I've already finished this up. This face mask is my holy grail product. This green tea face mask of Plum is something which I have been using, I think, since the brand has started, guys, because I have been loving it. It works so well in detoxifying my skin. You can see just a little bit of product is left. It's a completely kaolin based, clay based face mask which is having green tea. Along with that, it also contains glycolic acid. And this one works on your acne because it contains a green tea which is rich in antioxidant. It also works on your blemishes because this one also contains glycolic acid which helps in curing your acne marks. It's a clay based face mask, so it's gonna work to clean the gunk and grime that you have in your pores. So it just helps in detoxifying your skin. So once in a week or 2 times a week, if you use this, if you have oily acne prone skin type, and think you'll be getting really good results, guys. Highly do recommend you guys to grab it. It's a very good quality face mask. So another product that I swear by, and you have seen me using this a lot on my channel, is this moisturizer by Plum. This is the Plum Green Tea Oil Free Moisturizer, which is a completely fragrance free non-comedogenic moisturizer for oily acne prone skin type. It's a completely oil free one, so it has got a gel like consistency, very lotion like on the skin, so your skin kind of drinks it up. It comes with a pump packaging. This one is having green tea. Along with that, the base of the moisturizer is olive squalene, which is going to really hydrate and moisturize your skin without being greasy and oily. This one also contains aloe juice in it, which also works really well on your pigmentation. So in a long run, this will be working on your acne marks, on overall the surface of your skin, guys, really well. I have been using it non-stop and it works really well with the other actives that I use on an everyday basis, which I have in my serums. So another product that you can definitely grab from Plum is this aloe vera gel. This is the Plum Hello Aloe Just Gel, which is a very good quality, like a true gooey consistency aloe vera gel that you can definitely check out. It's a multi-purpose product because you can use it on your hair, on your body, on your face. I think for any kind of use for your skincare routine, this is the product that you can definitely use. You can use it on your hair as your hair mask. You can mix it with your other ingredients and create your own DIY face mask with aloe vera gel. You can use this if you're searching for a very good quality aloe vera gel. You can use it. I use it especially on the days when I shave my face and my body. It helps in calming and smoothing down my skin, and I also sometimes use it as my hair mask, and it performs really well, guys. A very good quality aloe vera gel. So now let's talk about some really amazing makeup products that you can definitely grab from Plum during her sale. So the first ones are her kajals. So these are the Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal, and I have got these two shades with me. These are, I think, the most long wearing and the high performance kajal that I have in my collection, because this stays on your eyes throughout the entire day, guys. So I have got two shades. The first one is in the shade Black Brilliance, which is a super jet black kajal. It works so beautifully as your kajal as well as your liner. Another gorgeous shade that you can definitely check out is the shade called Gemstone Green. It's a true teal shade, just a perfect mix of blue and green, and it both are matte kajals, are very pigmented kajals, just one stroke application, and the consistency and the texture is way too waxy. Sometimes it might be a little bit streaky when you apply it on your waterline and on your lash line, but that streakiness and the waxiness of the product has made it so long lasting, guys, and it will be there on your eyes throughout the entire day. Completely budge proof, smudge proof, waterproof kajal. Highly recommend you guys to grab these kajals. So another product that you can definitely grab during her sale is the one which has sent me over by the brand, and after I tried it, guys, I fell in complete love with this product. This is the Plum I Swear by Matte Liner with Argan Oil. This is an eyeliner which comes in this kind of packaging. This one is in the shade Black, and this is how the eyeliner looks like. It looks super duper cute. I love this lavender shade, and this is a very good quality complete matte liquid eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner which comes with a very small felt tip applicator, and I love the applicator because it gives me the precision and the strength to draw a very small wing. At the same time, you can use this particular tip for drawing a very fat winged eyeliner. So I love the applicator, and the texture is liquidy. It is a complete matte eyeliner, so once it dries down, it's gonna give you a complete matte finish. Very long wearing product, guys. It's a completely smudge proof, completely budge proof, waterproof, super duper long lasting eyeliner, and it's super affordable, guys. I think this is priced at rupees 375 only. Very good quality product. I would highly suggest you guys to grab it. The only con of the product is that it dries down very fast, so once you dip it, and you have to just use as fast as you can because it dries down very fast. But it's a very good quality product that you can definitely check out. So coming to the last product, I have saved the best one to show you at the last, and it's none other than the Plum LUMINENCE Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. And I have been featuring this product, I think, since a long time on my channel, guys. Still I can't get over it because this is the best quality cleansing balm in an affordable range, and I think the Plum has done a great job, guys. This is how it looks like, and this is how the cleansing balm looks like. It comes with its own applicator with which you can apply the product. This is a very good quality heavy duty cleansing balm, and a little product goes a long way with it. It melts off your waterproof makeup, your very long wearing liquid lipstick, your very full-fledged full face of makeup just in one go. You have to just work it on your face, just massage it on your face to melt in the product, and it gets emulsified with water really well. You don't have to use separate tissues, you don't have to use warm cloth or any sort of things. Just apply it, wash it off using normal water, and it's gonna cleanse off every trace of makeup from your face. After that, you need to double cleanse your face. You have to use your face wash. In that case, you can use a Plum green tea face wash, which also is such an amazing product, guys. This is a very good quality cleansing balm. Grab it and I think you're gonna thank me. It's a very good quality product. So that's all, guys. So these are some really amazing products, my recommendations that you can definitely grab during Plum's 8th birthday sale, which you'll be having from the 1st of July 2022 till the 4th of July 2022, where you can avail really great discounts and offers on most of these products, and you can definitely try out according to your liking. And these are the products which I have used over a period of time. I have been using since a long time, most of them, so I know how this actually performs. So I have shared my honest thoughts with you. I'm gonna put the link of Plum Goodness website down in the description box. If you want, you can definitely check that out. I hope that this video has helped you in choosing the products. If it did, do not forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel for getting more of these videos. You can share this video with your friends and family, and we'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Until then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye, guys.